Um, Harry is a boy who has moved with his aunt and uncle when he was 11 because his parents were killed and he was told they were killed in a car accident even though it wasn't right. He discovers later from Hagrid, the protector of Hogwarts, that he is a wizard and will need to learn how to do magic. He later makes a lot of friends and enemies and has to get through everything that comes to him that is sent by Voldemort, the Dark Wizard. It's a book that teaches us not only about friendship but also about how to get past the hardest challenges that you have. I would really recommend it even if you already have read it because it's an amazing book. You just can't find books like this.
Dear Mr. Henshaw by Beverly Cleary. The book is about a boy named Leigh who moves with his mom in a new city. He moves to a new school. He doesn't have any friend. In the third grade, the teacher tells them a story about how to entertain a dog by Mr. Henshaw. He likes it so much that he decides to send him a letter. In 3 years he doesn't get any response, but he gets very enthusiastic when he gets a message back. Mr. Henshaw teaches him how to get through hard things in his life and that bad things should happen. That's all I have. You can ask questions.
Okay, so I have a question. Did you feel emotions? Did you feel the emotions that Leigh felt if it was said in the book?
Yes,
My name is also Grandpa, and today I will present to you the book I wrote this week. The name of this book is The White Robot by Arthur Publishing House, wrote by Peter Brown, who also Peter Brown is an American writer and illustrator who is best known for children's picture books. He won a Kate Code honor in 2013 for his illustration of creepy carrots. He also writes.
There is a book written by Cezar Petrescu and is a very famous children's book Romania. Rabbit is a bear who does tricks at a circus and performs tricks, makes up his own tricks and all without a trainer. He doesn't need a trainer, he's the only one to not need a trainer. But suddenly he wants to go home. And all he does is sit in his cage, sad, thinking about the place to go home. I really like the cover, and I also like what other people say about it. And I consider it something I needed to read.
Yeah. Can you tell us a happy moment in the book?
I guess a happy moment was when he was in the circus and performing tricks, because after that it's a bit sad.
Same.
Would you change the story?
I wouldn't, because even the little details count, and it can make an impact, a negative impact on the effect of the book.
Mother.
Tom was missing his friends from the circus.
He was missing.
The film was directed by Van Orman and co-directed by John Rice. The theme of this movie is friendship because the birds became friends with the pigs that were rivals in the past. They didn't want to be friends at first, but they had to do it to save their island from eagles. The eagles want to destroy birds and pigs' islands.
Our Stars is a book written by John Michael Green. He was born in August 24, and he's
an American author and YouTube content creator. He won the 2006 Prince Awards for his debut novel, Looking for Alaska, and his fourth solo novel, The Fault in Our
16-year-old who is suffering from lung cancer. She is going to the support group, a place where all the kids and the teenagers who suffered from the same disease were meeting. Augustus Waters happened to be there one day in order to help a friend, and that is who they met. He also suffered from cancer, but